When I think about my dad and his career, the first thing that comes to mind is the way he's always treated people. When he took over the company in 1999, there were about 50 employees. Today, there are close to 400, and the company has grown more than tenfold. And that kind of growth didn't happen by accident. It happened because people believed in him and wanted to be part of what he was building.
Saval Foods has 4 facilities. Deli Brands of America is our processing entity. They have 2 facilities, one in Baltimore County and one in Baltimore City. And Saval Foodservice also has 2 facilities, both in Elk Ridge, Maryland. So my grandfather and grandmother started the company in 1932, Harry and Flora Saval. They started in Baltimore City as a processor of corned beef for the local delis in Baltimore City. My interest was not to go into the family business. My interest was to strike out on my own and to be Perry Mason. That's what I wanted to be. I wanted to be Perry Mason.
Being a younger brother, I always looked to him for guidance as I was growing up as a young kid. It was always good to have an older brother that was always good in school because it was good for my teachers to realize I was coming back up through an older brother that was a pretty good guy. And Paul's ethical and moral standards are fantastic. And as I was younger growing up with work ethic and the ability to continue to grow our family business and be successful.
Very early in his tenure, Paul decided that communication was very important and took a lot of his own time to put in place some practices that may not be the norm across all organizations, such as meeting with each and every new employee to do an intro session, letting them know the history of Saval, our values, our beliefs, and more importantly, where we're going.
He has tremendous integrity. He's very transparent. He's honest. He doesn't get too high or too low, and he maintains a consistent pace. And I think it's very helpful that is transferred to his people, because his people he has an open door. So it could be someone who's just came here for a week, a selector or maybe a driver, to come in and just sit there and they can talk to him.
My wife and I have always been very involved in the community, even before we were married. And after we got married, we were big brothers and big sisters, have been very involved in our community and our homeowners associations and in charitable endeavors. And that has become ingrained into Saval. The Children's Cancer Foundation has been our charity of choice. We've been holding a fundraiser for them for the last 20 years, a golf tournament, and raised over $500,000 for the Children's Cancer Foundation. But it goes further than that. Since we're a family business and we're very involved in the community, we give back to the community through our customers' charities, through charities that come to our attention, whether there's a big need in the community. And in COVID, we really did a lot that it was amazing. And my son Brian, very involved in giving away food that was going to go bad because we didn't have any customers to sell it to. So we gave away a lot of food during COVID. Another differentiator with Saval is that our name is on the side of our trucks. So our integrity, living up to that expectation of our name. I mean, I get up every morning thinking, don't mess this up. And this long legacy I want to continue into my son's generation and beyond. And in order to do that, we need to do the right thing every time.